In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Twilio account. Whether you've decided to take a break from your projects or simply wish to close your account, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Twilio console. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to twilio.com/console. Enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of the Twilio console. Take a moment to look around if you're not already familiar, as this is where you typically manage your communications tasks. Next, on the top right corner of the page, you'll see an option labeled Admin. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, navigate to Account Management, and then select General Settings. Alternatively, if you prefer a more direct route, you can enter the URL twilio.com/console/account settings into your browser's address bar, and you'll be taken straight to the page you need. Once you're on the General Settings page, you'll need to scroll down to the very bottom of the page. Here, you'll find the option to initiate the account deletion process. Look for the red button labeled Close Account. This button serves as the gateway to permanently removing your account, so take a moment to ensure that this is indeed what you want to do. After clicking the Close Account button, you'll be prompted to follow a series of confirmation steps. This is Twilio's way of making sure that closing your account is your final decision. It may include confirming your identity or re-entering certain account details. Make sure to carefully follow any on-screen instructions provided here, as they are designed to prevent accidental account deletions. It's important to note that closing your account is a permanent action. This means you'll lose access to any data stored in your account, including your communication logs, numbers, and Twilio settings. Also, you won't be able to recover this information later, so if you think you might need it again, be sure to download any necessary data or take screenshots before proceeding. Once you've worked through the confirmation steps and everything's in order, you'll receive a final confirmation of your account's closure. This means you've successfully deleted your Twilio account. And there you have it. You've now learned how to delete your Twilio account. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials. Have a great day.